display the CPU and memory together also. Correct, right? Before that, let's start with the questions, then we'll discuss. Very long time. 2 days we need discuss. Start with the user. How to know the currently logged in user details? How to know? Need to come in. Come. Yes, sir. Start from you, right? How to know the currently logged in user details? You, sir. How to know the current session login name first? How to know what are the processes are there in my Linux server? Yes, what is the alternate command for that one? Madam, I want top command should be automatically come out after 5 seconds. How to verify previous command is successfully executed or not? She told the command, how can you verify, madam, it executed successfully or not? According to question mark, she told the command, I would like to verify how to verify its success or not. Yes, sir.
It's 0 when it's successful, and if it's not 0 or anyone.
So fine. Yes, sir. How to know the partition details of my server? Wrong. Stop. 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 Yeah. In how to know the memory details? Memory details. In free command we have a swap entry, madam. What is the swap?
Physical value temporarily swap memories.
Yes, sir. How to check particular process is there in my server or not? How to check particular process, what is the Praveen process is there in my server or not?
Yes, I can give that pipeline of that.
How to confirm it's running or not? How to verify process is running or not, sir? Repeat, sir. Not running.
More than one.
Certainly, no. So that is the whole thing, sir. How to display the content of the file? How to display the content of the file?
Cat is greater than.
Display the content. I want to know the content of the file.
Cat file.
Yes, sir. How to display the content of the file with its line number? How to display the content of the file with its line number?
Cat -n file.
Okay, next person. What is the difference between single greater than and double greater than single?
Single greater than create new file, double greater than overwrite the file.
Wrong. Single and double greater than symbol.
Create a new file. Double greater than appends the file, adding the old contents also.
Single greater than always going to create a new file. Double greater than verify if file is existing or not. If file is existing, going to append the content to the file, same file. If file doesn't existing, going to create a file and add a content. Yeah. Copy command, madam. What are the ways of copying? What are the types we use in copy? You only, madam. Next person. Cutting paste is separate. I'm talking about copy. Three ways we discussed it. Three ways you can. Rename is copy, madam. Okay. Can try, sir?
Copying duplicate. One file to one file to next folder.
Okay.
Changing the name.
Copying the same file is a different name. Copying the file to a different folder is the same name. Copying a file to a different folder is a different name. Yes? No? Move command, sir. What are the functionalities of move command? What does it mean? What is called? Name, correct. Don't fix it. Next up. Copy, move command is used for renaming that you told. Another option is move command for cut and paste. Correct, no, madam? Nowadays you're not answering. You only. Cut and paste. Yes or no? Yes, sir. How to know particular user currently logged in or not? Praveen user currently logged in or not, I would like to know. Understand the question? Which command will show currently how many users logged in? Praveen. Okay. Currently Praveen is logged in or not, I would like to know. What? It's Karthik. Who command is ವಸ್ತೆ ಯಾರು 10 ಜನ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 10 ಜನ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಇದಾರ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ps-ef ಶೋ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ps-e ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಗ್ರಬ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಸರ್ who command show all the name in that Praveen is there or not verify who pipeline grab Praveen yes no next person Kader, right? There is a file of 59. I want to display the file content from 45 to 55. I total they say total of 50 lines. I want to display the file content from 45 to 40 to 45. 40 to 45.
40 to 45.
Total 50 lines are there.
Okay, sir. Top 45 and tail.
Answer is right, not top end.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, fine. At least you got the logic. You, sir. I would like to know the count of lines in a file. You didn't answer today. You answered, but I want to answer the question once again. Who command, uptime command output, I want to write it a file called as a karthik.txt. Who command, ಮತ್ತೆ who uptime command output na karthik.txt file ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. What you know I can answer.
Greater than Karthik. Then double greater than Karthik.
Very good. That's the difference I need to find out. Who command single greater than ಬರುತ್ತೆ uptime ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಫೈಲ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ than use ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? What is the command used to scroll the files? Aman. Aman or Vishak? You are Vishak, no? Vivek, okay. Scroll, we told. More message, sir. More space file name. More space file name. Okay. Today we discuss about, okay, short command we discuss. How to remove all the duplicate content inside a file. Take a file, the multi-repeated content. I would like to remove all the duplicate content of the file. Last class you not came? No.
Sort file name. Unique.
Sort file name adna name barutte. Pipeline. Sort file name pipeline unique. Yes sir. I would like to know how many times each content repeats in a file. It's a file with a multiple repeated content. I would like to know how many times each content repeats. Praveen ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಜಯ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Sort file name, pipeline, unique, title.
Very good. Done sir. Now, Lord, I will discuss. Sunday class is there. I told Sunday class will be there. I'll update timings. It will be mostly in morning only. I'll update. Clear? Observe, sir. People who came today, you respect you also. Will ask question from Monday. After the class. Observe now, please. Clear? The server is not there, no? Preparing install. Okay. Come back here. Now, sir, we'll discuss about the new concept today. How till date we know when currently how many users are logged in, from how much time our server is up, what the command users are uptime. How's But when is my server installed? That we need. What is the difference between uptime and install? In laptop only you are installed, sir. Reboot ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ laptop na. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Shut down ಆಗಿ start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What do you mean by installation of your Windows OS? What is the effect happen when installation of OS? Fresh installation.
New updates should be.
New updates. New update means installation. OS installation I'm talking about, not about the software installation. OS install ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? What the existing data, everything will go away, no sir. Complete laptop will get formatted, sir. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Because you are freshly installing, sir. Can you all installed till now? Windows fresh OS installation. Anyone? No one? No one try? Okay. Sure. Correct? Try in your own, but don't do now. Not now. After reaching also, you should have backup of your data. All data will go away. Please. Correct? That is the installation. Now I would like to know when is our server installed. Uptime ಬಂದೇನೋ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿನ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Now I would like to know when is my server installed. For that we go to the command called as last. Last command will show when is your server installed. Type the command last, sir. Type the command last. Last. Type the command last. Ready? Done, sir? In last line, you will be getting a WTMP, right? That is the date of installation. That is the date when your server got installed. Last command will show when is your server installed. WTMP you are getting, right? That is the time when your server installed. Understand my point? Yes, no. Correct? No. Who command? Correct? But I want to display only installation date. What I can do? ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬರೀ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ grep WTMP will show only installation date. Last will show the complete entry. Last pipeline grep WTMP will show the only the installation date. Getting my point, sir? Line which contain WTMP meaning is installation date. You are getting right? You will be getting around last month only. July, right? Now June some date would have come. Yes or no? What I will be getting? For me also install June 18. Got my point, sir? Clear? Now, how to know the currently logged in user detail? Who command, alva? Date from date of currently, right now, how many users are using? Who command will show. But from date of installation, how many users are logged in and logged out? Date of installation, another June, what the date is showing, right? From that date to till now, how many users are logged in and logged out? Complete entry I require. For that, we'll get in last. Last take ಮಾಡಿ. Last to top. Last entry ಏನು ಕರ್ತದೆ? That is the oldest. That is the old entry. Top ಹೋದಾಗ recent entry will get. When you go to top right, you will get a recent entry. Last command, you get the history of the login and logout details of the server from the date of installation. Who command will show the right now in this moment how many users are logged in. Last command will show the history of login and logout from the date of installation. Elagu barta idella? Yes or no? Getting sir? This I am going to explain. Very important. Please observe. Observe sir here. Observe here now. Now. You will get the first session, you will get the username. These are session name. At a time, Linux, your 60,000 user can log in, I told sir. PTS1, PTS2, these are session numbers. Like that, you can have PTS 60,000. 60,000 session can have. Getting my point, sir? This is the gateway server. This you leave it, no worry. This is the date and time when the user logged in. This is the logout time. When user logged out. This is the duration of login. Login go logout go ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು login ಆಗಿದೆ. Login duration. This is the login time, sir. This is the logout time, sir. 22 hours 48 minutes he logged in. Getting my point? Yes or no? Everyone getting the things right? Correct? Who all able to see crash entry here? Logout time ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾರ crash ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Who are getting crash entry? Kindly lift your hand. Kindly lift your hand correctly. Only 3%. No one getting. Okay. People are getting crash entry. They done mistake. That's the thing I wanted to. Correct? Who are getting crash entry means they are close the server directly. VM. We close it directly. Who are getting crash entry, right? I also done. So only I am getting crash entry. Correct? Right? When you getting crash entry, the meaning is server not able to capture the logout time of the user because user closed the VM directly. That is the crash. Login time, logout time, and duration of login. Artha agtideya sir? Getting my point? Yes or no? Yes. No sir. Next point. Now, Praveen sir. Okay, this let me take a entry like relate to Facebook means I can relate this to Facebook also. Facebook sir. We are getting green tick right now. You log into Facebook, you get a green tick. That is right now you are logged in friends, online friends. What is our friend list is there? Friend list. That is your last command. Getting the currently logged in. Who command? Currently logged in. Who command? Last command shows the history of login and logout. That is your friend list, and also you can relate how many friends was there you previously. How many blocked you? How many unblocked you? Everything getting last. History of light attack, sir. Don't take seriously. Last command will show the history of login and logout details from the date of installation. Who command will show the currently logged in. Got my point? Yes? No? Correct, sir? No. I would like to know how many times Praveen logged in from the date of installation. Uptime alli, who command alli, right now Praveen logged in illa gottagutte. Date of installation, I would like to know the history of the login and logout details of only Praveen user. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? Last pipeline. Grab Praveen or Abhi. I'll take Abhi as well. Praveen user is not there. Correct? Last Santosh. How many times Praveen and Abhi and Santosh has logged in? Getting my point, sir? From date of who command alle ಇವಾಗ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ತಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲಾಗ್ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಗ್ರೆಪ್ got my point, sir. Everyone can try, sir. You can type your usernames. Your username, sir. What username? Your username only. Ready? Ready, sir? Now, from day, okay. Now, laptop you bought, sir. Bought around long back you bought your laptop. Please up there. What Deepak? Done? Any confusion, sir? Vijay? Vijay, right? Done? Okay. Now, from date of you purchased your laptop, how many times you rebooted your laptop, you know? From date of purchase of your laptop, how many times you rebooted your laptop? Date of purchase your mobile, how many times you rebooted your mobile? No. Linux we can know. From date of installation, how many times my laptop server got rebooted? Reboot bere, installation bere. Mobile reboot ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Correct, sir? From date of installation, how many times my server got rebooted? Uptime will show from how much time server is up. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಂದ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ somewhere you reboot entries are there, but I want to know the reboot history only. Reboot whenever the server got rebooted. Last pipeline grep reboot. You show the history of the reboot details of the server from the date of installation. Last pipeline grep reboot will show the how many times server got rebooted from the date of installation. Yes, no.
Yes.
Got my point, sir? Clear? No. Each of these things we can use this also, sir. Sorry, not last. Last reboot. Last reboot also will show same only. Last, if you want to know Praveen Abhi entry also, we can do last Abhi. This also you can do. Whichever comfortable, last pipeline grep also you can do. Last this also you can do. Any confusion, any doubt, ask me, sir, please. Ready? Done, sir? Now, last command, let me take this scenario again. I'm going to tell you in during the boot directory, not directory sector, during the user administration. User administration, after 1 week we go to that also, and on the time also I'll tell you. Let me give a small glance of this topic. Again, I'm going to repeat again during user administration topic also. Let me add a small introduction about it. Think like last command and the complete history. Complete history of login and logout. Let me take you one scenario. Recently, any festival happened? Which festival went, sir? If any festival went now? No festival. What, sir? What is July month? March, Ugadi. You know? March was Ugadi? March or April?
April.
Okay. April. Okay. April month, Ugadi festival was there. Okay. It was holiday for everyone, only for Karthik. Your name, sir? Hemant, your name? Dushyant. Shanta Maharaj. Okay. Okay. 3 people were only, the 3 people were in shift, rest all having a holiday during Ugadi. They also not happy to come because of forcibly they came. They came, he is working in Chennai, he is working in Hyderabad, he is working in Bangalore. Correct? Mistake, there is no manager, no TL, nothing like that. Mistakenly, unintentionally or unintentionally, they typed the command reboot. Reboot command. Rebooted the server, sir. Rebooted the server. On that day, no one observed. Next day was Saturday, Sunday. No one observed. Monday came. Client sent a mail. Not only these three people, throughout at that time, at 10 a.m. server got rebooted. At that time, around 10 to 50 people only was there. 10 to 50 people was there. Monday, client sent a mail. Server got rebooted. I would like to know revenue because there's a dip in the revenue, money. Company will see that only, how much money loss. Because why this money loss? Because of server down. It was not an accidental reboot. That means not a power issue. It's not a data center issue. Someone manually typed the command. Intentionally, non-intentionally, mistakenly, mistake is a mistake. Correct? They sent it. This all things. Why I am telling this thing is when you do mistake in IT, you should agree. Otherwise, they come with screenshots. That's the thing I'm going to tell you now. When you do the mistake will happen. You should agree. Next thing, they sent a mail. Who are logged in? We got the history. Who are logged in? Can you let us know who reported the server? No one agreed. Then went to L3 team. I said there's no advantage of finding who is that, but they will do. That is called as RCA, root cause analysis. They call it as a root cause analysis. They went to L3 team. They going to check for the details. How they going to check? The command, last command in history of login and logout from the date of installation. When server got rebooted 10 a.m. Server got rebooted in the 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. Server got rebooted 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. who are logged in? I would like to know. Currently logged in, who command will go currently logged in. Server reboot agirada Friday. Friday 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ reboot ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು. That how can I find out? Last. Getting my point, sir? Last command got the 10 users who logged in at the 10 a.m. I sent mail to 10 who all logged in, 10 people for there. Send mail to them, no one agreed. Now we need to debug. We need to come to the details. That how to do it, I'll tell you. This topic I'm going to cover again in the user administration. Just last command related to this, I'll tell you. One thing I would like to tell you. When you happen any mistakes, sir, please inform to your seniors, some team leader. Don't inform to manager, not to seniors. Because otherwise, if next time they come with a screenshot, everyone will come to know. If any time next time mistakes you are not done, they'll highlight you only whether he has done the mistake. So please agree when you do the mistake. Mistake will happen. No company can run without mistake. If they have the thinking like no mistake should happen, the company can't work. Yeah, doing mistake is not a crime. If you do a mistake, agree, no problem. Yes, Karthik. Now I need to find out particular day. Okay, let me take about the. I'll show the thing. You don't need to do. Just I want to show you. Let me take for June 18 only. 19 ante. How many users are logged in? June 19. This many users are logged in, sir. Correct, right? Only June 19. Otherwise, complete June month I take. User is there. I'll take complete June month. Just I want to show you. I got this all the entry. Correct? There are a lot of repeated entries. I am required only username. I'm going to write a small shell script. Just understand the functionality. Don't worry about the water script I'm writing. Shell scripting going to discuss in future. Complete 1.5 week shell scripting only. Correct? Now my thing is, I would like to find out. Please understand. Please. Server got rebooted particular date and time. I would like to find out who rebooted the server. That is my point. Correct? These are the first column is the username, sir. First column is the username. I'm going to write a small shell script. No delay. I got this was the maximum, sir. With the maximum counts, I can increase it. So if you're not using projector, sir, this is the maximum. Okay. These all are repeated, sir. I want to remove duplicates. What I can do? Sort. File name. See, one thing, one command can give the input also. One file can give the input also. We already getting the this input. This input in the nano unique bari duplicate ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು sort new account again sort pipeline unique also work. Yes or no? Yes or no? Already remove duplicates. In that I don't want the entry of the reboot root WTMP. These three users I don't want. These three entry I don't want. Only you learn till now grep command only. Grep command we are going to discuss about 17 option. 17 option we're going to discuss. That one option I'm going to use that. Separate one class completely for grep command only in future. How to exclude grep -v. I don't want the entry of root. Sorry. Root I don't want. Root ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗ್ರೆಪ್ ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ ಬೂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ WTMP ಬೇಡ These are the 4 user which I need to check. In all user June 10th 10 AM they logged in. Last command will show how many users are logged in. Understand my scenario, right? April 10th 10 AM this many users are logged in. I get the history of logged in at the particular moment how many users are logged in. But I need to know what are the command they executed, sir. Last command ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಫೆಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ now what is the command typed by each user I'm going to find out. Got my point, sir? This again I'm going to repeat in user administration just to have a glance so it will be useful when you think. Just for each user under let's say a directory called home that we're going to start by Monday. That we're going to start by Monday. Home /home. If I take Ajay only I take, sir. Under /home there will be one directory by each username. Under /home what are the user you are creating, right? For each user there will be one directory by that username. Under that directory there will be one file called bash history. Bash history file ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಟೈಪ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಯೂಸರು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಏನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಜಯ್ ಏನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಭಿ, ಸಂತೋಷ್, ಕಿರಣ್, what are the command you typed, everything recorded under this file under his home directory. You can think I can delete this file. No sir, no. Production you are intelligent means they are over intelligent, correct sir? You can't delete this file, correct? So production will getting here date, time, minute, second, millisecond, everything. They'll take the details. If Karthik has rebooted the server, reboot ಅಂತ entry ಬಂದು date, time Karthik user ಇಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ they'll come with screenshot. This minute, this second you rebooted the server. Okay, that's the thing. There's no chance to escape if you want to check it. So when you do mistakes, agree. It happened to me, so only I am telling you. I've done that mistake. Clear, sir? Be active. Correct? Now I'll show for everyone. Everyone means how many users we got it. These are the user. I'm going to check for use user. I'm going to write a small shell script for that one. Just I understand it. Endpoint. ಪ್ರತಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಏನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶೆಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm going to apply the for loop. If you're going to learn future shell scripting, don't worry right now. Do echo below are the what is the user echo command for displaying, right? Below are the details of the user $i. ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ cat/home ಹೋಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬಂದು bash history. End of the details. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ all the things, but I go for scroll line by line. More use ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. It go line by line. See, first details of Ajay. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಜಯ್ ಏನೇನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. These are all the comments executed by Ajay. Ajay I am using from past 4 years. So there will be more entry. 100%. I am more entry only, sir, because I am this user from 4 years is there. Till ಆಯ್ತಾ? End of details Ajay. ಆಯ್ತಾ sir? Next June ಏನು entry, June 19 ಏನು entry, June 11 this all the entry. Santosh all the more entry. So we can easily identify who executed reboot command. Understand my point? Yes, no. Clear sir? But I am not worried about this all the entries. I am worried about only about the reboot command ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಯಾರು ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಗ್ರೆಪ್ ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ರೆಡಿ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ದಿಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಹೂ ರಿಬೂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಸರ್ವರ್. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. When server got rebooted, at that moment, how many users are logged in? From that, all the user entry I should take it. Then I take the bash history entry of that user. This I am going to tell once again in the user administration. Understood my point? Yes? No? Any confusion? Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sure, right? Last command is show the when the server installed, it show the history of the login and logout data from the date of installation. That is the basic entry. Clear? Now, sir. How to know the hardware details of my server? Hardware details of my server. For that, we use the command dmidecode. Everyone type it, sir. dmidecode. Recording, right? Type the command dmidecode, sir. Ready? Ready, sir? So the lot of entry. What is command show? Please observe, sir. Ready? Any doubt? Observe madile. dmidecode show the complete hardware details of your server. Okay. Observe here now. Please. Come back here. dmidecode will show the complete hardware details of your server. Correct? What type of CPU? What is the RAM configuration, whether it is a physical server or a data. Your laptop also, sir. Every different laptop. Dell laptop, Lenovo, processor also different. They should have the identifier, right? So dmidecode is the command to know the complete hardware details of your server. What type of server it is, whether it's a physical server, whether it's a VMware server, whether it's a cloud server, whether it's a Google Cloud server, whether it's a Azure server, everything you should know, sir. Yes or no? For that we can identify any hardware details is going to use this command only. Understand my point, sir? No. Which is the unique thing in your mobile, in your laptop? Which is the unique thing in your mobile? Each mobile having one unique thing, no? Mobile. Which is a unique thing in your mobile? Anything? Someone was telling something.
Model.
Huh? Model. Okay. Any other? Huh? Application. No. I have YouTube. You also have YouTube. Correct, no, madam? Then?
OS.
Someone told. No. Someone told, sir. Voice only.
OS.
Huh? Voice. IME number. Yes, sir. IME number unique thing, sir. For everyone, yes or no? ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಈಚ್ your laptop also having the serial number. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? Each laptop as it is, server will also having the serial number. Understand my point? Yes or no? Your laptop also having serial number, your server is also having the serial number. Right? In data center, multiple servers will be there. 50,000 servers will be there. Till date, I also never worked in the data center. Right? Even if you got job in data center also, I suggest not to go. Especially for the, I am not able to do. It's completely a hardware job. Completely a hardware job. It's very difficult to work. You need to go to the data center with helmet, jacket, very cold temperature. If you want to enjoy, you can go. I also never went. Only one time I went, only for 1 minute. Yes, sir. You got opportunity, I suggest not to go there. It's very physical job mode. Getting my point, sir? No. Now, in data, think like we are working remotely. Think like I'm working in the Bangalore. My server data center, I think, is in Noida. My server data center is in Noida. While troubleshooting, sir, I found there is some issue in my server. While seeing a server, I found some issue in my server that I need to inform to our data center guy. In data center, please understand, in data center, 50,000 more servers are there, sir. I am working one server. In one server, I found the issue. I need to inform RAM issue. RAM issue. I need to inform to data center guy. I can't tell directly to the one of server having a RAM issue. How can you check all 50,000 servers, sir? Yes or no? Understanding this, sir? Getting my point or not? Anything need to be checked physically in data center. First information need to provide to data center guy is the serial number. Serial number of the server. How to find the serial number of server? Everything going to clarify. That is the basic. Anything physically need to be checked, physically need to be corrected, physically need to be removed and unplugged again. That anything need to be checked physically in the server. First information need to provide to data center guy is the serial number. How's getting my point, sir? Understanding, sir? That how to give it, I'll tell you. I'm going to help you out. Clear, sir? Understanding, sir? Yes. I requiring reasoning very low voice. Energy. Yes, sir. Come back. Now, okay. DMI decode. Please observe, sir. Hyphen T is the option. If your DMI decode show how many lines here? Pipeline WC hyphen L code. New node explain. You will be getting 11,000, I think so. DMI decode pipeline WC hyphen L. Check more than 10, I think. More than 10,000. More than 11, no? Correct, sir? Leave it. This all the line by line entry I can't. Please observe. Please. Come back. Okay. DMI decode. Yeah, more than 10,000 lines. I can't go line by line to check where is my serial number. It's very difficult. Correct, no, sir? So only in DMI decode, we have an option to check how to verify. I want to know the server details. I want to know the CPU details. I want to know the memory details. Everything we have an option. How to verify that one? I'm going to help you out. Please observe. Keep your mind here. DMI decode show the complete hardware detail around 11,000 lines. If you want to know CPU detail, if you want to know serial number, I can't go line by line. Very difficult to know 10,000 lines. So under DMI decode, we have option. How to verify? CPU detail ke separate option is there. Memory detail separate option is there. Server detail ke bare option is there. How to verify each one? I'm going to tell you. Clear, sir? No. DMI decode, we have option called as -T. -T is option is used to fetch the particular system details. It can be system, it can be server, it can be CPU. You can use DMI decode. It will show what are the arguments you need to pass. You don't need to buy it. It only shows you. The -T option kottu nimge ಏನು option ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ enter ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದೇ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ what a valid thing. -T I want to know server details. System detail will show who is the manufacturer. Everyone has different laptop. Lenovo, Dell, EMC Square, everything like that I need to know. -T system kottaga. This also it will have very long information. Mean DMI decode -T system. Pipeline more I will give. Pipeline more for crawling line by line. Every command in the Linux can get an input from file, can get an input from one of the earlier command. Correct? Now I'll give scroll. See, we go with the manufacturer. We use the VMware, right? VMware ಬಂತಾ, ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂತಾ, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Correct, sir? These three information, this is very important. Even if you ignore this also, no issue. This is very important. This information we need to give to our data center guy for any troubleshooting in the physical server. Because 50,000 servers ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ? We need to give serial number. They will be creating a one sheet. ಈ serial number ಈ bay ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಈ serial number ಈ bay ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, so they can go easily identify. -T system you also try, sir. dmidecode -T is the option. System is the keyword to verify the server detail. Ready? Everyone should do. Everyone should do, sir. Got it, sir? Getting it? Yes, sir. dmidecode -T system. This is the first basic detail you need to provide your data center guy when they correcting anything physically in the data center. You RAM issue ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯಾವ RAM issue ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Very difficult to go with the IPs. Very difficult to go with the server issue. First information. Who has issue? Karthik has an issue. You need to go to Karthik. Karthik is the serial number. Otherwise, I need to go. Somebody laptop is not working. Then I can't go for everyone, right? You should specify Karthik. Karthik is serial number. In his laptop, it's not working. Getting my point, sir? First information provide the serial number. This serial number ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ RAM issue ಇದೆ, CPU issue ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. How to know the CPU information? How to know the RAM information? That also I'm going to explore. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? Getting here, if it's a cloud server, AWS ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If it's AWS, sir. If it is a Google Cloud will come. If it's a physical Dell server, HP server ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ವರ್ VMware ಇಂದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ VMware. Getting? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Super. Now let me know about the CPU details. Processor. You no need to buy it. Here only you get an entry for the processor. Processor is the entry le dmidecode -T processor. Kodi. Right time more kodi. Processor information ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. What are the types of CPU? I will get the complete information. -T processor. -T processor. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, from remotely, I found out there is some CPU issue in my server. I need to inform to data center guy to replace the processor. Yes or no? I have provided the serial number. But what is the type of processor I need to tell, sir? What is the existing? Please understand, please. Processor issue is there, I came to know. I need to inform the data center guy processor issue is there. That I am informing. But I need to inform me what is the type of processor, what is the configuration. You can't use Redmi cable for iPhone. Yes or no? The existing end configuration is your server alli CPU do adhe tarade order madbeku hosa configuration. Howda ilva sir? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Correct. So only I need to check the existing configuration details. This all the details. What is the manufacturer? What is the type of processor? What is the speed? Everything I need to note down. I need to give this detail to data center guy so I can order the new processor. More information give to data center guy, that will be helpful for you. Basic information ಬಂದು serial number ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, but very difficult to stay there in data center. So as much you can help, you can do. Got my point? Yes or no? This is the processor, like as it is memory. dmidecode -T memory. Now before memory, I would like to know, seen the physical RAM? Anyone seen the physical RAM, sir? I don't know. Physical RAM. You have seen. No. Never opened the laptop hardware R&D ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ? Little. Okay. In that you seen RAM, sir? How the RAM will be? Aman, not done. How the RAM it will be? RAM hingiರುತ್ತೆ sir. No, it's like a plate ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Board. Like this it will be now, sir. It will be like this, sir. ಹೌದಾ? Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3 ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? If you are not observed, no issue. Don't remove time. It will be like this. Correct? This is a RAM slot. It will be. Correct? Now I need to. This is slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4. I found out when checking remotely, I found RAM issue is there. But when RAM issue is there, complete RAM I no need to replace. Which slot having issue, right? That RAM, that slot only I need to replace. How to verify which slot having issue? That also I can check here. That I want to take. RAM will be like a slot, sir, like one sheet. Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3. But when a RAM issue is not required, complete thing, it will be slot having issue. That is enough to replace. Getting my point, sir? How to verify which slot having issue? That I want to help you. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Getting my point? Yes or no? Yes, correct? Not first I will explain you. Later you can. I-20 slots ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Observe. Associated memory slots ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? These are all the slots present in my server. 15 slots are there. Each slot information also I can find out. What is the first slot number? 0x0085. I get the information ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. First slot ದು. ಬಂತ information? ಇಲ್ಲಿ okay ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. If it is not showing okay, if showing unreadable, error, then I can inform the data center guy, in this particular serial number, in this particular RAM slot, there is a issue. ಅದೇ ತರ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0886 ಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I can inform directly. So I can replace particular slot. Get my point or no? Yes, sir. Understand my point, sir? This is the information. Basic again, when 95%, 98% in production, we are going to use these three options only. But 95-90% every time we go to use the dmidecode T system. That is regularly. Processor and memory also sometime we'll use. We have other information also. If you want to check when is your BIOS got installed, BIOS option is there. BIOS, we can know BIOS details also. BIOS got installed. What is the BIOS date? Everything. These all rare thing we going to use, but options are there. You can, if you want to see all the options also, you can use it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. dmidecode -t memory. What should do, sir? Here install putty. You can shut down your laptop. Dell or HP? HP. Shut down your laptop. Ready, sir? Clear? Okay. Till now we discussed about how to create a file, how to add a content, how to delete a file, how to copy file, how to remove file, how to copy from one location to another location, everything we discussed. How that was? Yes, sir? But we never discussed, we didn't take the topic called how to edit the file. Existing content na hing change ಮಾಡೋದು, existing content hing delete ಮಾಡೋದು. That we going to discuss about the one class completely on vim command on Sunday. Sunday morning 9 to 10:30 mostly. I'll update in group. Getting my point, sir? Correct? I'm going to, before coming to that class, 1 second. Don't shut down your laptop. I'm going to paste the one copy. Going to copy the. Don't miss the class, sir. Monday. 7:30 to 7:30 to 9:30. Okay. Then 9:30 will start. 9:30 will start. 9:30. Okay. I'm going to pause. Please understand, sir. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. I'm going to paste this content in the Skype chat, sir. Before coming on Sunday class, sir. You need to create a one file, putting this content. I pasted the content in the Skype chat. Before coming into Sunday class, you need to create a one file by this content. Class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ content ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 10 minutes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10-15 minutes. Simply why to waste, sir? Okay, we can come and directly start the topic. Clear? Before coming to Sunday class, create a one file by using this content. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Got my point, sir? Before coming Sunday class, create a one file by this content. Understand my point? Yes, no. Clear? Okay. Thank you. We'll meet on Sunday. What time you want Sunday?